Drone applications are growing every day and they are going to change our lives. In fact, they are going to change logistics and urban air mobility. Drones are changing our cities and they have to get integrated in our skies. That's why airspace management needs to change. UTM and U-Space platforms will help to manage high-volume drones and how they coexist with managed aviation. In India, we are deploying the first U-Space platform, which is fully compliant with new European regulation. That's why this places us as leaders of the sector. Our common information system is the most advanced and it's unique of its kind. It enables a competitive U-Space environment and engages different stakeholders. We embed digital technologies by using new architectures as microservices and cloud. We are also building advanced research platforms to prepare the future. For example, digital twins of airspace in order to test new services and concepts.